Hi everyone. In this video we will cover dependent drop-down lists. So first of all, let us see how this dependent drop-down list looks like. So suppose we have this data. The header represents the name of the brands and the values under the header represents the name of the models. So for Toyota, these are the 5 models. For Honda, these are the 5 models, and similarly for Hyundai, Tata and Mahindra. Now suppose we want to create a drop-down. So where the first column represents the name of the brands and the second column represents the name of the model. Depending on the selection in the first column, only the models pertaining to this brand, only those models should show here. So currently we have selected Mahindra, so only the models under this displaying under the Mahindra brand, only those model will show. Similarly, if we change it to Honda, only the models under Honda will show: City, Amaze, Elevate, Civic, CRV, and same goes for Hyundai. So hope you understand how this final output of this project of this video will look like. Now in this video we will cover multiple concepts to enable this drop down, like name ranges, data validation, indirect function, but this video is mostly focused on dependent drop down list. These other concept, name ranges, data validation, indirect function, we will cover in some other video. So to start with, how to create this dependent drop down list. First of all, this is our base data. So it is this data is similar to what we have seen in this sheet. I am creating it right from the scratch. So these header represents the name of the brand, and the values under this represents the name of the different models. First concept is name ranges. Now how to make this a name range, how to define this range by these names. So here we have to select the entire range and then create from selection, top row, and click on OK. Yeah, so this is now a name range. How we can check it? If you click on this named box, you will see all the name ranges here. Okay, now we need to create a drop down like this. So let us copy paste the brand name and model here. Okay, so the first column should show the drop down with these with the name of the brands, and whatever brand we select here, its model should show here. So how to enable this drop down? For this we need to click on data and click on data validation. Select data validation from the drop down list and allow list. Because these are multiple values, so this we have to allow the list here. Then we have to add the source from where this list will be picked. For source, select Toyota, Honda, this entire range from H3 to L3, and hit this button and click on OK. Now this will create the drop down list. Hope you understood all the concepts till now. So we have covered name range and we have covered data validation. Now, okay, so let us select one brand, Hyundai. Now how to show the models pertaining to Hyundai brand in this column? For this we will use the indirect function. Select indirect, select the cell from which the value will be picked for the brand and hit enter. Yeah. Okay, so now what's the use of this indirect function? Under the indirect function you can put the name of the cell, and it will pick because this is a name range, it will pick all the values pertaining to this name range and display the result. Now if we select Toyota from here, it will show all the models pertaining to Toyota. If we select Mahindra, it will show all the models of Mahindra. So in this video, we have seen how to use the drop downs and use name ranges, data validation, and indirect function to create a drop down, to create a dependent drop down. So this way we create the dependent drop down list in Excel. This way of creating the dependent drop down list and even its more advanced versions is very useful in Excel for reporting, for dashboards, and for automation projects. So that is it for the video. Please, if you like the video, please consider subscribing to this channel, and let us meet in the next video. Thank you.